Today we will discuss for the test for sulfuric acid. This topic will be discussed in the two parts, that is the test for concentrated sulfuric acid, that is concentrated H2SO4, and the dilute H2SO4. So firstly I am going to discuss about the concentrated sulfuric acid. So here we can do the two tests for the concentrated sulfuric acid. First one, the H2SO4, that is concentrated H2SO4, will be heated with copper turnings. So you can see here what will be produced. We will be having the copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water. Okay, you can balance the equation, 2 sulfuric acid and 2 water. Now you know that the sulfur dioxide is going to be evolved. Suppose that you are having this test tube, and in this test tube you have filled the concentrated H2SO4 and the copper turnings. Okay. Now you are going to heat the test tube, so sulfur dioxide gas will be evolved, and you know this, the sulfur dioxide gas will turn the lime water milky. Okay, lime water is going to be turned into milky, and also the sulfur dioxide gas will convert the potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7 solution, from orange to green. So by using this test we can detect the concentrated sulfuric acid. This was the first test. Now coming to the second test for the concentrated sulfuric acid. So here, so let me erase this thing firstly. Okay. Now second test for the concentrated sulfuric acid. You will take the sodium chloride NaCl and heat with the H2SO4. So you will obtain hydrogen chloride gas and the NaHSO4. Now hydrogen chloride can be used to identify the presence of sulfuric acid. Okay, so in this test tube you are having what? NaCl and the H2SO4, that is concentrated sulfuric acid, and now you are going to heat this, so HCl will be evolved. Now a glass rod dipped into the ammonia solution. If you are bringing this glass rod dipped into the ammonia solution here, so you will observe the white dense fumes. Okay, so by observing the white dense fumes, the presence of the sulfuric acid can be detected. Now you can see the reaction also. You are having the ammonia solution, that is the NH4OH plus HCl. You can see we are having the NH4Cl plus H2O. So NH4Cl will make the white dense fumes. Okay, so this was for the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now we can discuss for the dilute sulfuric acid also. Okay, so for dilute sulfuric acid, dilute H2SO4. Okay, for dilute H2SO4 we can use barium chloride or barium nitrate, BaNO3 whole twice. Okay, so if you are going to add the barium chloride into the dilute H2SO4, so you will obtain the barium sulfate, that is BaSO4, and the HCl. Again here you can see H2SO4 gives out BaSO4 plus HNO3. Okay, so here you can see that barium sulfate will make the precipitate that is actually white precipitate. Okay, since barium chloride is not soluble in the dilute H2SO4, so it will make the white precipitate. So due to the presence of the white precipitate, you can identify the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so suppose that if you are having the dilute H2SO4 in this test tube and you are going to add barium chloride or barium nitrate in this test tube, so you will obtain white PPT, so that you can identify the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. So by using these two methods, sulfuric acid can be easily identified.